Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a walk-around video. It's your host, Ray. Today I'm in Lombard, Illinois at the infamous Thunderbolt 1000T here, also affectionately referred to as the Highwaybolt. So it's May of 2024, and finally they put a new power meter in. For those of you who are unaware, this Siren suffered a explosion of its original power meter due to a lightning strike, presumably on July 4th of 2022, and it has not sounded since then. Now, recently, in past months, I've been seeing that people are saying that this siren is active. Well, here it is. This is what the head looks like. It has not rotated from the looks of it, and both power disconnects are still in the off position. So there's that. And additionally, the meter doesn't have the front part that has all the information about the power and stuff, so this siren is not active and it will not work as of right now. However, it is good to see that they are finally taking care of it after 2 years. This thing has been falling apart since like 2020. The chopper gave out during a test in, I think it was 2021, and it didn't receive a new one until 2022. And it only was active for a few months before being struck by lightning, and then, now it hasn't sounded since. And there was a tornado siren ambience video where supposedly this thing activated for a tornado warning, but obviously that was not physically possible due to both power disconnects being off, and this power meter, well, it doesn't look like it has any power going to it, but the thing looks brand new, so at least they're keeping this thing alive, barely. So yeah, I'll walk around the front here. Yeah, still got the small C-Series blower here, but yeah, nothing much has changed. It's nice flame orange, civil defense yellow, whatever you want to call it. I'll walk around to this side. It's got the power box here. What has it got here? So it's got a three-phase transformer, 480. Oh, I don't think this thing is a 480 volt, but this thing's got 480 volts in it. That's pretty nice. And then right there you can see where the tag used to be. There used to be a tag right there, but someone took it from the looks of it. So, oof. And then we'll walk around back here. Oh, look at that. We got some of that flex conduit starting to open up there. Yeah, a lot of rust here. A lot of rust starting to build up. Some of there's the disconnect switch to the control boxes there. Yeah, thing is still same old for the most part, just finally getting a new power meter. And I'll go over this way so you can see the head. Here it is. The head of this beast. Alright, there we go. So I moved out a bit further so you can, get a good look at the head. But yeah, there it is. Still a little rusty, but still up. Well, that's all I've got for you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the siren or anything else, please feel free to let me know down in the comments below. And that's all I've got for you guys today. Like, comment, and subscribe. Take care of yourselves. Stay tuned for more siren content. I'm home from college, and I'm excited to see what this summer has to hold for me. See you later.